I'm gonna put full screen for you. And this is actually what probably, if I got into dancing, I'd probably do this.
Okay. Okay. Flare.
Right. Yep.
Bruh.
Oh, what the? Did this nigga just? Is he butt naked? Oh my.
He needs some milk.
Yo.
Wait
Yo,
for
this-
it. Bonk.
What the? This dude is just straight dingling out and
He must be proud, y'all. That shit, I would have had to be at least half. There's no way I'm coming out.
Stop it. Get some help.
He clearly got a little bit of skill too, though.
yeah, because he did. All right, so he did a flare into a swipe, into a baby mill, into pop, into an ass out, dingling up. Like, what the? Yeah, man, that wraps up the first episode of Open for Coffee. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Josh,
This is Murph.
and make sure you stay tuned for more.
Stay tuned for more. Make sure you follow the podcast on anywhere you get your podcast.
It's everywhere. It should be on all platforms.
Yep.
If you're watching this visually, this is what we look like.
Hey.
This is for the thumbnail. And
Subscribe,
like,
comment,
and hit that notification bell.
and tell your mother to call Josh.